Millions of Filipino families experience hunger as the Philippines grapples.
The Philippines has now surpassed Indonesia as the country with the highest number of COVID-19 cases.
Piling nakaalerto ang buong mundo sa patuloy na pagtaas ng kaso ng coronavirus disease 2019.
And they're crying out for help.
Domestic air and domestic sea travel to and from Metro Manila shall be suspended beginning March 15, 2020.
A very great recession. Some predicting even a depression.
Entering what will be the crucial defining 15-day period as it relates to this virus, where we
don't have immunity to this virus. It's a new virus. It's a pandemic strain of a virus.
Dangerous health crisis could dovetail quickly.
Ilugmok man tayo ng bagong pagsubok, mga puso natin di mapapagod. Abutin ng kamay na handang tumamay, mga puso natin di mapapagod. Nasa puso ng bawat Pilipino, pagmamahal sa kapwa at serbisyong totoo. Isang bayan